Understanding Online Banking, a comprehensive guide. Online banking, also referred to as internet banking or web banking, has revolutionized the way consumers interact with financial institutions. By allowing users to perform a wide range of transactions via the internet, online banking offers remarkable convenience, efficiency, and access to services that were once only available inside physical bank branches. What is online banking? Online banking enables individuals to manage their finances through a secure internet platform, typically accessed via a desktop computer or a mobile app. Customers can perform a multitude of transactions, such as making deposits, transferring funds, and paying bills, all without stepping into a physical bank. Most banking institutions offer some level of online banking services, and as of October 2023, the use of online banking continues to grow rapidly among consumers. Key features of online banking. Accessibility. You can conduct banking transactions 24/7 from virtually anywhere with an internet connection and appropriate devices. Diverse services. Services offered online range from checking account management, transfer of funds, to loan applications, all through your preferred medium. Lower fees. Many online banks often feature lower fees and higher interest rates on savings accounts compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. How online banking works. Online banking platforms use web browsers or dedicated mobile applications, allowing you to complete various transactions conveniently. Here's a rundown of the primary functionalities offered by online banking. 1. Bank anytime, anywhere. You are not restricted to the operating hours of physical banks. Online banking allows flexibility. You can perform transactions from your home, office, or while traveling, making banking a seamless activity. 2. Depositing checks remotely. Many banks enable users to deposit checks via a mobile app using remote deposit capture technology. Simply take a clear photo of the check's front and back, input the check amount, and submit it for processing. 3. Financial management tools. Online banking platforms often come with built-in tools to help you manage your finances. Track spending trends, create budgets, and save goals effectively, ensuring better fiscal health. 4. Wide range of financial services. In addition to basic transactions, online banking allows you to perform actions like applying for loans, setting up new accounts, ordering checks, and more. However, note that certain tasks, like closing an account or ticket purchases for currency exchange, may require you to visit a branch. Online versus traditional banks. While traditional banks have physical branches for face-to-face interaction, online banks operate exclusively online. This operational model offers various advantages, such as cost efficiency. Online-only banks usually have minimal overhead costs and can pass savings onto customers in the form of better interest rates and lower fees. Enhanced interest rates. Savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, often offer more competitive rates compared to their traditional counterparts. Customer engagement. Online banks generally handle customer support via phone, email, and chat, which can be less convenient for those who prefer in-person assistance. Despite these advantages, as of 2023, only about 6% of U.S. adults identified online-only banks as their primary banking institution. Pros and cons of online banking. Pros. Convenience. Perform transactions at any time without needing to visit a bank branch. Efficiency. Quick funds transfers and mobile check deposits are accessible within minutes. Enhanced monitoring. Ability to track transactions instantly facilitates early detection of fraud. Cons. Customer service limitations. In-person support may not be available for certain complex tasks. Technology dependency. Users need familiarity with online banking tools and reliable internet connectivity for optimal use. Cybersecurity risks. Online accounts, while improving in security measures, can still be vulnerable to hacking, emphasizing the need for strong password management. Safety precautions for online banking. To safeguard your personal and financial information while using online banking, follow these best practices. 1. Use strong passwords. Create unique, complex passwords that adhere to recommended security guidelines. 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Protect your account by requiring additional identification methods beyond just a password. 3. Monitor accounts regularly. Check transaction histories frequently for unusual activity and report any discrepancies immediately. 4. Avoid public Wi-Fi. Conduct banking transactions only over a secure and private internet connection to prevent unauthorized access. Frequently asked questions, FAQs. Can you use online banking to pay bills? Yes, online banking simplifies bill payment. You can set up electronic payments or send checks, often scheduling automatic payments for recurring bills. What is the best online bank? Choosing the best online bank depends on individual needs. For instance, Ally Bank is noted for its overall offerings, while Synchrony Bank excels in savings, and Discover is recognized for checking accounts. The bottom line: online banking presents a streamlined opportunity to manage finances conveniently and efficiently. With just a few quick steps, consumers can engage in various banking activities from the comfort of their homes or on the go. Whether relying on a traditional bank's online platform or opting for a dedicated online bank, leveraging technology can lead to better savings, lower rates, and enhanced customer satisfaction.